Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Cleco Fasteners is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any serious mechanics or DIYer's arsenal, playing a crucial role in temporarily holding sheet metal and other materials together during assembly, repair, or fabrication processes, ensuring a precise and secure fit before permanent fastening methods are applied, and their reliable performance can significantly impact the quality and efficiency of your project. Number 5. Cleco Fasteners Kit, K4S50-1. Introducing the Cleco Fasteners Kit, your go-to solution for secure temporary fastening. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for your projects. It comes with 25 each of 1 8-foot and 3 16 Cleco fasteners, ensuring you have the right size for various applications. These are proudly made in the USA. The kit also features a pair of durable Cleco pliers for easy application and removal. A convenient polyester zippered carry bag keeps everything organized and portable. This kit is ideal for automotive body work and repair, providing reliable temporary holding power. Its copper brass color adds a touch of quality. With 2 versatile diameter options, 1 8-foot and 3 16, these fasteners offer flexibility for a wide range of tasks. Get the job done efficiently with this essential tool. What we like. This kit offers a great balance of fastener sizes, including both 1 8 and 3 16 options, perfect for a variety of automotive body work. It's made in the USA, ensuring quality and reliability. If you're tackling diverse repair projects and need versatile temporary fastening, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Clecos make any kind of panel work easier, whether body panels, tin work, or even Lexan windows. No more bulky C-clamps or vice grips, since the Clecos locate the workpiece accurately and securely while fitting and fabricating. Very good for aligning and holding metal panels. Good build quality and food value. I used on mounting over fenders and it worked great, had no issues with clamping or unclamping or sizing. Number 4. Cleco 5316 Sheet Metal Fasteners Kit. Introducing a comprehensive kit designed for your sheet metal fastening needs. It includes a generous supply of high-quality fasteners and the essential tools to get the job done efficiently. This set features 50 brass fasteners, each measuring 3 16 inches in diameter. Their robust construction ensures reliable performance in demanding applications. You'll also receive a pair of specialized Cleco pliers, engineered for precise and secure fastener installation. These are designed for optimal grip and control. Keep your tools organized and portable with the included carry bag. Everything you need is neatly stored and ready for transport to any job site. Perfect for any sheet metal project, this kit provides the necessary components for secure and accurate assembly. The 3 16 diameter is ideal for standard number 10 drill sizes. Experience the combination of quality materials and practical design. This kit offers excellent value, equipping you with reliable tools and fasteners for various tasks. What we like. This option provides a generous quantity of 3 16 fasteners, ideal for projects where this specific size is predominantly used. It also includes the necessary pliers for immediate use. If you're working on a project that requires a large number of 3 16 fasteners, this bundle offers convenience and value. What people say. The Cleco fasteners are made of steel and are very durable. These Cleco fasteners are easy to use and hold panels securely. The assortment of sizes in this Cleco fastener kit is very useful for various applications. Number 3. K-Series Deluxe Cleco Sheet Metal Fastener Kit. Discover the K-Series Deluxe Cleco Kit, your essential tool for professional sheet metal work. This comprehensive set is designed for precision and durability. It includes a wide variety of Cleco fasteners in common sizes, from 3/32 to 3 16 inches. You'll have the right size for any project. This kit also features specialized Cleco clamps in 2 convenient sizes for added versatility. They provide a secure grip for your workpieces. Included are specially designed Cleco pliers with a comfortable grip. They ensure ease of use and reduce fatigue during extended operations. Everything is neatly organized and portable in a durable, zippered mesh carry bag. Keep your tools protected and ready for your next job. Invest in quality and efficiency with this essential kit. It's the perfect solution for serious metalworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. What we like. This deluxe kit is designed for the professional or serious hobbyist, offering a comprehensive selection of K-series Clecos and clamps, along with upgraded pliers. It's perfect for those who need a wide range of temporary fastening solutions for complex jobs. If you demand versatility and high-quality components for intricate sheet metal work, this kit is a superior option. What people say. The different sizes allow almost any panel to be held firmly in place and aligned properly prior to rivet or screw installation. Great starter set of Clecos and clamps for a good price. Other sets had too many of one size, or didn't come with the little clamps. This was the only well-rounded kit for a decent price. Excellent product for dry assembly of sheet metal products, for orientation before welding rivet screws. Seems to be well built. Number 2. Cleco 1/8-foot Sheet Metal Fasteners Kit. Introducing a comprehensive kit designed for your temporary fastening needs. This set includes 50 high-quality 1/8-inch fasteners and a pair of Cleco pliers. You can trust the durability and reliability of these fasteners, as they are proudly made in the USA. Experience superior craftsmanship with every use. This kit is an essential tool for automotive bodywork and repair. It provides the secure temporary hold you need during complex projects. Keep your tools organized and portable with the included carry bag. Everything you need is in one place, ready for your next job. The fasteners feature a 1/8-inch diameter and a distinctive copper color. Their precise size ensures a snug fit for various sheet metal applications. This all-in-one solution simplifies your workflow. Get the job done efficiently with these reliable tools. What we like. This bundle focuses on a high quantity of 1/8 fasteners, all manufactured in the USA for assured quality. It's an excellent choice for projects that primarily utilize this smaller fastener size. If you're performing detailed automotive work or repairs where precision with 1/8 fasteners is key, this set provides reliability and ample supply. What people say. These have proven to be a lifesaver for sheet metal work. I highly recommend this product if you plan to do much sheet metal work. This kit was perfect for me as it came with 50 by 1/8-inch Cleco fasteners, a generic tool to install and remove them all in a compact cloth-zipped carry bag. Cleco fasteners can be used for a wide variety of applications. These are excellent quality and will last a long time and simple to use. I wanted them to repair the bed on my F-150. They will be perfect for holding sheet metal in place before welding. Number 1. Cleco fasteners with pliers, made in USA. Introducing our top-quality fasteners, crafted with a durable steel-plated body and an alloy steel handle. They are expertly designed for the precise holding of materials. These are ideal for sheets that require clamping while other operations are completed. They provide a reliable clamping force of up to 25 pounds. These fasteners are the standard button plunger type. They are fully compatible with the C200 manual plier. Experience high-quality manufacturing with these Cleco fasteners and pliers. They are proudly made in the United States for assured reliability and performance. Built with a robust steel-plated body and a strong alloy steel handle, these are made to last. Their construction ensures precise material holding for your projects. What we like. This set features high-quality, USA-made Cleco fasteners and pliers, designed for precise material holding and up to 25 pounds of clamping force. They are the standard button plunger type, ensuring compatibility with common tools. If you need reliable, standard Clecos for general sheet metal clamping during various operations and value American manufacturing, this is a solid choice. What people say. Well made and easy to use. Used it to fasten my wide body on my 240 project. Held up no issues. Product is very useful and well made, saves time when metal panels have to be removed for slight adjustments. Replacement of panels is exactly where it was. Great product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.